Hi, I'm Allison Pryor and I teach acrylic paintings for the beginner step by step in real time so you can follow along with me. And today we are going to do this beautiful painting here called Sunset Waterfall. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. So the first thing we're going to do is tape it off so that we can divide our canvas into 3 parts. But I'm going to do the first part first. So get your tape and put your tape on. We'll go thirds, 1, 2, 3, and we will put our tape on a third of the way down, which is about here. So just cut it in 3 sections. Okay, so that way now you have your sky and your horizon line. Good. So for the sky, I'm going to use my flat brush. And I'm going to put on, we need to make a nice yellow, orangey, red sky. So first of all, I'm going to put some red on top of my sky. So I'm just dipping in, and I have red paint. And I'm going to go to the top of the sky with red paint. Back and forth. Lots of paint on your brush. Good. And that's all you need, just to top up there. And then we want to have the sky down here nice and yellow. So we'll clean our brush really good. So now we're going to get some yellow paint. So we're going to put some yellow paint on our brush. Lots of paint. And we're going to paint down here. Now we're going to go up into our red because we want to catch some of that red before it dries. So it will go down into our yellow. Okay. See? So you go up into the red, it kind of turns a nice orangey, the yellow and the red will mix together. See how pretty that is? Go right up into your red and come back down into your yellow, and you will see how those 2 colors will mix together and they'll blend beautifully. So it's good to have some red paint come into your yellow. That's what we want. Pick up some more yellow, lots of yellow. Come on down here. And as we come down here, we are going to add some white. I'm going to get the yellow on first. And it's good that your yellow has some red in it. Don't worry about that too much at all. Good. Now we'll get some white. I use some gesso sometimes. So today I'm going to use gesso for my white. It's nice and thick and it blends beautifully. So just for a change, use gesso instead of white. There we go. See how it blends beautifully with the yellow? Isn't that a beautiful sky? That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Alrighty then. Now, we're going to put a few clouds in the sky. We're going to use whatever brush you feel that you're going to get the best results from. I'm just going to try my Bristle brush, and that's a size 10. I'm going to wet it, make it damp, and I want to put a few little clouds here, and I'm just going to take some yellow on the corner of my brush, see, and then I'm going to add a little bit of white. Just tapping into my white, and I'm going to use the corner of the brush to make some little yellow circles. They don't have to be exactly the same as the picture I showed you. You can make your own kind of clouds. You can use whatever brush works for you, so don't worry about what brush you want to use. And just make these little circles. Alright, just little clouds floating in the sky, wherever you want them, little circles, there we go. Good. And probably just a little corner of your brush, a bit of white. The yellow will come through because it's already wet, and you'll get some nice pretty clouds. Corner of your brush. Little circles. Move it on over. There we go. Whatever's left over in your brush, just smooth it out. Okay, that's cool. That's nice. That's enough of that. And now what we're going to do next is we're going to do some fir trees right here on the edges. So I'm going to get my fan brush. You can use a size 8 or a small, or whatever the brush that works with your canvas. So you're going to wet your brush. You have a nice fan brush, and you are going to start off with some black. So take your fan brush and have it this way so that it's vertical, not horizontal. So it's vertical, and you're going to start wherever you want to start. I'm going to start on the edge here, and I'm going to tap, 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 tap. I'm going to fill in the back here, tap, tap, tap. Then as I move over, I'm just going to make a little top. Okay, there's your top. And then I'm just going to fill it in. Tap, 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 tap. See? So as long as you get those tops, you will be able to get a really nice fir tree. And it's all black down here. That's fine, because then we will highlight that with some green paint so that it looks like trees. So don't worry about that right now. Just get your tops. And as we come down, we'll make the trees a bit smaller, as if they're going further away. Okay, so just get your tops, top, tap, 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 and in between. You'll even get a little top in between as you're filling it in. Okay, so you get your one top, and then you tap, and you tap in between it so that you can fill it all in. See, but you almost get some tops right in between them as you are just filling it in. But you have to get one top first to get it started. There we go. So now we're going to go back smaller, smaller, smaller. So what I like to do now is start over here so that we can meet in the middle. So I'm going to make my trees over here a little taller because you don't want to be exactly the same as the other side. It makes the painting too boring if everything's the same size. So we will just start nice and big over here, make this side a little bigger. Get your top, tap, 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 fill it in. Get your top, tap, 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 fill it in. See how that side is much bigger? So we'll do that. And then we will get some more. Get your tops, and as you're coming in, you come down smaller, shorter. And as you get used to it, it goes faster. You can work faster as soon as you get used to it. Go. So now we're meeting up in the middle. So now we can move back and forth till we get it so that they look like they're meeting in the middle. Top, tap, top, tap, top, tap, top, tap. Let's get it really small down here because it's going way, way back into the woods. That's cool. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Now. So we let that black dry, because if you put on any paint over that now, it's only just going to turn black. So wait for the black to dry. Fix up anything that you see. If you left any space, open space, fill it in. Just tap at it. Okay. Now, that looks pretty good. Well, thank you very much for following along with me today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and you subscribe and you get a lot more videos in my channel, and you can give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and share if you think other people may enjoy this video. So I'd love to see your paintings. Email your paintings to me at allisonpryor@yahoo.com, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!